Building modular workflows in n8n is essential for scaling your automations. But testing sub-workflows in isolation can be a real pain. Usually you can't run them without triggering the parent workflow first. Today, I'll show you a rock-solid pattern to fix this once and for all. First, let's look at the standard sub-workflow trigger. It's designed to receive data from another process, but it won't run on its own during development. To solve this, we're going to add a backdoor. Create a manual trigger and connect it to an edit fields node. We'll call this node test input. Inside the test input node, define the exact fields your sub-workflow expects. For this example, I'm adding a field called color with a test value of blue. This mimics the data that would normally come from your parent workflow, allowing you to build and debug without leaving the screen. Now for the magic. Add a second edit fields node and name it combine input. Inside the settings, enable include other input fields. Connect both the official sub-workflow trigger and your test input node to it. This is the key. It standardizes the data flow, ensuring that all subsequent nodes receive the same schema regardless of the trigger source. Now your core logic is perfectly testable. Hit execute, and you can see your data flowing through instantly. No more jumping back and forth between workflows. You can grab the template for this pattern at n8n, playbook.com.